Hey, man. Nice hat. Is Frank
To
around?
pass beyond the destroyer, you must first solve my riddle.
Okay.
Why did the turkey join the band?
He came from a very musical background, and his parents forced him into playing the violin at the tender age
It
of...
was because he had the drumsticks.
That's not a riddle. You got that from a fucking Christmas cracker.
You failed, and now we must do battle. Let me just...
Hey, Harry.
Well, hi there. If you want to pass this here piece of land, you must first solve my riddle.
Do you mean your Christmas cracker joke?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Arthur.
Arthur who?
Are there any mince pies left?
How am I supposed to solve that?
You lose, boy! Now we must face off in a musical challenge.
What are the rules?
First to falter in their sing-songing is the loser.
My instrument? What's my instrument?
Heads up.
Ha ha! Joke's on you, Banjo Man, because you might be interested to know that in my school days, I was a master at the old brolly balls in choir. Ha!
Well, let's go then. And 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bullshit.
Oh no.
One second.
What the fuck is going on?
Look, Johnny, things are real bad out there.